Hi class, today we are going to be reviewing how to write numbers in expanded notation. Now, you might not remember exactly what that phrase means, expanded notation, but once we get started, you'll remember doing this from before. It's been a little while though, so let's do some practice problems together. Our first number here is 15, and what I'm going to do with expanded notation is I'm going to look at what is in my tens column and what is in my ones column and decide what those numbers really mean. So in my tens column, I have 1, but that doesn't mean just 1, that means 1/10. So the way that I write that in expanded notation is 10 plus, now I look at my ones and decide, okay, it looks like I've got 5 ones. So I have 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, if we look at 37, in my tens column, I have a 3, and in my ones column, I have a 7. What does this 3 actually mean? Since it's in the tens column, it doesn't just mean that it's a 3, but it means that I have 3 tens, 30. 3 tens equals 30, okay? Plus, in my ones column, I have 7. So really what I've got here is 30 plus 7 equals 37. This is expanded notation. Okay, moving on. This number is a little bit bigger. I have 162, so I now have a number in my hundreds column. What does it mean that I have a 1 in the hundreds column? What that is telling me is that I have 100. I have 100. I have 6 tens. The way that I write 6 tens is 60. Plus, I've got 100 plus 60 plus, don't forget that 2 in the 10 in the ones column is a 2. So 162 actually equals 100 plus 60 plus 2. And for our last number here, 548, I have a 5 in my hundreds column, 4 in the tens column, and 8 in the ones column. All right, let's write this in expanded notation. First of all, I have a 5 in my hundreds column. 5 hundreds equals 500. 4 tens equals 40. Oh, okay. One moment here. Okay, plus, oops, 40 plus, look at our ones column, we've got 8 in the ones column. So to write 548 in expanded notation, it looks like 500 plus 40 plus 8. Okay, let's do a couple more problems because you will see some things that look like this on your assignment, but then you will also see some that look like this. So this kind of looks like a lot, right? A lot is going on. But what we are really solving for is 54 plus 23. We're going to solve this by writing out both of these numbers in expanded notation. Okay, so first of all, 54, let's break it up. We have a 5 in the tens column, so that equals 50, right? Got a 5 in the tens column, plus I have a 4 in my ones column. So to write 54 in expanded notation, it's 50 plus 4. Now let's look at 23. 23 has a 2 in the tens column and a 3 in the ones column. So I have 2 tens, 20, plus I have 3 ones, a 3 in the ones column. So now I know that for 54, I have 50 plus 4. For 23, I have 20 plus 3. Now what we're going to do is add both of these numbers. I have 2 addition problems here, okay? So let's start with 50 plus 20. If I have 5 tens plus 2 tens, how many tens am I going to have total? I will have 7 tens or 70. Okay. Plus, I've got 4 ones and 3 ones. 4 plus 7 is, or sorry, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now, for my answer is going to go here, my final answer right here. 70 plus 7. What is 70 plus 7? That is going to be 77. Wow, lots of sevens here. Okay, so that's my final answer is 77. Now, on your assignment, you might have to fill in a lot of blank spaces, just like we had here with our blue blanks, blue blank spaces. It's kind of a tongue twister. So let's do one more practice right here so that you know for sure how to do that. Now, on this problem, I have 37 plus 62. 3 tens plus 7 ones plus 6 tens plus 2 ones. So to write 37 in expanded notation, I have 3 tens, okay, plus 7 ones. 30 plus 7 equals 37. Now for 62, I have 6 tens, which equals 60. 6 in the tens place. And I also have 2 ones. Okay, 60 plus 2. Now let's add together 30 plus 60. If I have 3 tens plus 6 tens, how many tens am I going to have total? 3 plus 6 is 9, but I have 9 tens, which is 90. 30 plus 60 is 90. Now in my ones column, I have 7 plus 2. You can do that with your fingers. Hold up 7 and then add 2. It's going to be 9. And so now I've got 9 tens plus 9 ones, and that is going to be my answer. 90 plus 9 equals 99. Super close to 100. 99. That's my answer. Okay, so that's kind of what you'll see on your assignment today. As always, let us know if you need any help, and we will be there to answer your questions. But good luck on your Moby Max assignment.